What's the meaning of biodiversity? Biodiversity. Biodiversity.
Biodiversity. Biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to the variety of life on Earth, including the number of different species of plants, animals, and microorganisms, as well as the genetic variation within each species. It encompasses the complex web of interactions between living organisms and their environment, and is a critical component in maintaining the functioning of ecosystems and the services they provide to humans. Biodiversity is threatened by a range of factors including habitat destruction, climate change, pollution, and overexploitation of resources. Conservation efforts are necessary to protect biodiversity and ensure the continued survival of species and the functioning of ecosystems for future generations.